I will grow under any conditions.
I think I'm allergic to tap water.
Let's go.
You're so cute. You're mine.
Miss, excuse me, but your titties are out. Wow. Oh.
Don't flip! Don't flip!
This man is really angry at the smell of his own fart. He's stupid. Oh, don't beat yourself.
Oreo.
Y las voces de mi mente me dicen, mátalo, mátalo, mátalo.
Found these 4 sneaking into my pasture, and I don't know what to do. Why are they cute at this age? But you'll kill my chickens later.
Realized we've made a huge mistake. Huge. However, everyone was being so
Stole the pickle! What the? Wait! I'm about to.
Just thinking and watching, really, aren't you?